Hi, it's Alaska Granny. Pizza from the Dollar Tree? Absolutely. You can go through the grocery section and you can find a pizza crust, a jar of pizza sauce from Rinaldi's, and some Hormel pepperoni. Then head to the refrigerator section and look over the cheese. Make sure you get real mozzarella. They have cheese like fake cheese, but they also have real cheese. Make sure you choose the real mozzarella and not something that's like cheese. Get actual cheese. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees. You can see the pizza crust is thin, but it's firm, so it's going to hold up to any kind of toppings that you want. Spoon the Rinaldi pizza sauce over your pizza crust. Now sprinkle it with your mozzarella cheese. I'm making pepperoni today, and the package of Hormel comes with 2 inner pouches, and each pouch has 14 pepperonis. Lay the pepperoni on top of the cheese, pop it into your heated oven, and cook it for 8 to 10 minutes. You can see on the back of the pizza package, it gives you other ideas for toppings, and you probably have ideas of your own kind of favorite pizza. The pizza crust can also be prepared on the grill, which is great whether you're grilling in your backyard or you want to take it camping. When you open your crust, you'll see an oxygen absorber. Make sure you throw that away. Do not eat it. It's not part of the crust. It keeps your pizza crust fresh in the package. I used about half the jar of pizza sauce. You can use the rest for dipping your crust or breadsticks. Doesn't that look delicious? Looks and tastes great. Try making a pizza from Dollar Tree ingredients and see if $4 for a pizza doesn't make your family happy for a quick, easy, delicious meal. Learn more at alaskagranny.com. Please subscribe to the Alaska Granny channel.